What's up, family? In this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the Wump Airdrop project, which is also a Solana based project. Okay, so the Wump Airdrop happens to be Discord's native token, and free tokens are being allocated to Discord users based on how long they have been interacting with the Discord community. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can start claiming the Wump tokens early enough before the TG, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So before we begin claiming this airdrop, we first of all need to know exactly what this project is about. Okay, so you just can't go about claiming airdrops without knowing in depth what that project is really about. All right, so up here says introduction to Wump Airdrop, and it says that the Wump Airdrop is a cryptocurrency token distribution event that rewards users based on their Discord account age. So here's what you need to know about the Wump Airdrop. So down here talks about the eligibility of the Wump Airdrop, and it says that the airdrop rewards users based on their Discord account age, with older accounts earning more Wump dollar tokens. All right, so the next right here talks about the participation, and it says users can participate by logging in with their Discord account, completing daily check-ins, tasks, and referring friends to earn more tokens. All right, so the next right here talks about the token distribution, and it says that the Wump Airdrop token distribution is based on Discord account age, with older accounts earning more Wump dollar tokens. Newer users can boost their rewards by completing tasks, daily logins, and referring friends. Okay, so next right here talks about how to participate, and it says visit the event page and log in with your Discord account to verify your account age, complete daily check-ins and tasks to earn more Wump dollar tokens. Thirdly, right here says refer friends to earn additional tokens and boost your rewards. Okay, so next right here talks about important details, and down below here talks about the airdrop duration. Okay, so it says that the airdrop ends in 26 days, guys. All right, so make sure you don't sleep on these, guys. Get involved while it's still available. Okay, so next right here talks about the token claiming, and it says users can claim their Wump dollar tokens after completing the required tasks and verifying their eligibility. Okay, so next right here talks about some safety tips, and it says that be cautious of scammers and phishing links, and never share your private key with anyone. Okay, so make sure you take note of these, guys. All right, so lastly right here says by participating in the Wump Airdrop, users can earn free Wump dollar tokens and potentially benefit from the project's growth. However, it's essential to stay updated on the project's official channels and follow best practices for cryptocurrency safety. All right, so guys, now that you know about the basic functions of this project, let's go see how it works practically so you can start participating and start earning tokens for yourself right away, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on the Wump website homepage right now. So for you to actually get access to the Wump website homepage, I'm going to be leaving a link to the Wump website homepage on my Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so to actually get access to my Telegram channel, all you simply do is go over to this video description or the comment section to get access to my Telegram channel. Okay, so the link is going to be there, guys. All right, so as you can see right here, it says get Wump based on the age of your account for start, and down below here it says log in with your Discord account. So I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says Wump wants to access your Discord account. Sign in as Doncams 38826. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to scroll through and just hit on this authorize button down below here, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, as you can see, it says you have joined Discord 12 months ago. So here's your Wump reward. So I actually have 1,138 Wump as my reward because I actually joined about a year ago now. So down below here that says continue, I'm going to hit on continue, guys. Okay, so as you can see, my balance has been given to me already. All right, so guys, as you can see right here, there are other tasks you can complete to actually earn more Wump tokens for yourself. So right here it says join Wump community. So all you simply do is hit on the join now button right here to actually join the Discord community of Wump. Okay, as you can see, it says you have been invited to join Wump community. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says accept invite. Okay, here we are, guys. So the next step would be to verify your bot 1 and as well to verify your bot 2. Okay, so I'm going to hit on verify bot 1 right here, guys. So right here that says verify, I'm going to hit on verify. Okay, boom. So we're actually verified right now. So that is basically what to do. I'm going to hit on this place right here and just simply go back. Okay, here we are. So I can't find the bot 2 verification right here anymore. So the next step right now will be to hit on this place down here that says Wump chat. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says message and just type in Wump. As you can see, the rest persons actually did that. So I'm also going to do that right now by typing Wump. Okay, boom. So I'm going to hit on the send button right here, guys. Okay, so I just did mine right now. So it's actually scrolling down to my section. A lot of persons has done this, guys. Okay, so now that this is done, you just simply go back, guys. Okay, you just simply go back to the Wump website to actually complete some other tasks to earn more Wump tokens. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, so here we are back on my Wump account. So as you can see, down below here, a list of other tasks to complete right here to actually earn more Wump tokens for yourself. Okay, so this first one right here is actually the daily check-in. So when I actually hit on claim right now, I'm going to claim this 200 Wump. As you can see, I just claimed 200 Wump tokens just for checking in today, guys. Okay, so the next right here says add Wump in your display name to get 2000 plus Wump tokens, guys. Right, so the next right here says follow Wump on X to get 1000 Wump. The next says join Wump on Telegram channel to get 1000 plus Wump. And it says invite 2 friends to get 1000 Wump. Invite 5 friends to get 5000 Wump. Invite 10 friends to get 7000 Wump. Invite 15 friends to get 10,000 Wump. And next right here says send 50 Wump in our Discord server to get 200 plus Wump. And next right here says tweet Wump on X to get 1000 plus Wump. And lastly right here says boost Wump on Discord server to get 1000 plus Wump. Okay, so guys, when you actually complete all the stacks right here, you stand a chance of getting more Wump tokens for yourself. Okay, so make sure not to snooze on this, guys. Be a part of this while you still can. Okay, so down below here says friends. If you actually want to invite your friends, you can just simply hit on friends right here and get your invitation link. So this is your invitation link. You can just simply copy it. As you can see, it says share your invitation link and get 10% of friends points. Okay, so that is it. So over here that says leaderboard, you get to see, you know, the list of persons who are currently leading on the board. As you can see, this guy currently has about 1 million plus Wump tokens. This guy has about 3 million plus Wump tokens, and this guy has about 783,000 Wump tokens. Okay, so guys, this is basically what you need to know about the Wump airdrop distribution system for now. Okay, so stay tuned to this channel by subscribing right now, guys, and as well turning on the bell icon for notifications on future updates. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, please do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever we don't TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.